searched how to buy shares of Greatland Resources Ltd, an exploration company focused on mineral projects that trades on LSE PLC under the ticker GGP.L. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker GGP.L to find Greatland Resources, then select the matching LSE listing. Confirm the listing details to ensure you have the correct company. On the stock page, check the company summary and the live price chart to confirm you have the correct Greatland Resources Ltd listing on LSE PLC. Review basic company information and market data before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending instruction or executed when the market opens. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, showing quantity and current value. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account or follow the steps shown.